Structural material installation. Trenching, molding, casting, pre-embedding, and other processes of on-site foundation construction are also carried out at the same time of the steel frame production and assembly. The wall plate installation begins after the foundation reaches construction conditions. Each wall plate is assembled by hoisting. The wall plate and foundation are connected with special accessories by bolts, and the wall plates are also connected by structural nails. The details of installation are as such. Firstly, install the wall plates on the floor and then hoist and install the floor truss. Secondly, the structural board material is laid after the installation of the floor truss. Next comes the second wall floor plates installation. Thirdly, roof truss and OSB board installation. Finally, laying of SBS self-adhesive waterproof sheets and nailing asphalt tile. The other indoor installation work could be carried out at the same time, such as the installation of doors, windows, external wallboards, filling glass wool between the steel keels, plumbing, electricity, pipelines, and other construction of the interior wall and ceiling plates. Up until now, the entire construction of the house is complete. Finishing. Indoor servicing and fitting of material including scraping putty, wallpaper, ceramic tile for wet rooms, sanitary wares, and wood floors. External wallboards, cornice, internal and external corners, etc. will all be installed simultaneously. The whole construction is now complete.